Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi Goyal. Welcome to Technical Ma'am YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you iframe tag in HTML. So what is iframe tag? An HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. It specifies inline iframe. It is used to embed another document within the current HTML document. So I will explain iframe example with practical. So guys, let's get started. Here I have a body structure of HTML. In body tag I take iframe tag. Now you can see the src attribute. Src specifies URL of page to embed. So I have already the document HTML document with the name of sur.html. So here I apply in src sur.html. Now I execute the document, then you can see the HTML document in the window. Now I want to set height and width. So here I take width 100%. Now I take a height attribute. So here I give 300 pixel. So when I execute the document, then you can see the height and width applied. Now I take name attribute. It is very important to recognize the document or web page. Now you can see the name. Here I take iframe underscore a attribute. Then when I run the document, then you can see there is no change. Now by default an iframe has a border around it. To remove the border, add the CSS property and style attribute. So here I take border none. When we execute the web page, then it remove the default border. With CSS, you can also change the size and style and color of the iframes border. So here I removed border none, and here I take 2 pixels solid red color. So when I execute the web page, then you can see the border around it, the red border around it. Now I want to add anchor tag in paragraph tag. So I take paragraph tag first and anchor tag inside it. I take anchor tag. So guys, if you do not know about anchor tag, you can go to my channel and you can see the anchor tag video first. In anchor tag I take JavaScript website, and in href I take URL of Java T-Point server website. It is live website. For server website, you can add HTTPS. That is the address of the website. Now when I execute the web page, you can see the hello JavaScript website with the anchor tag with the link. Now I take iframe target for a link. The target attribute of the link must refer to the name attribute of the iframe. So here I take the same name, and when I execute the web page, then you can see when I click on hello JavaScript website, then you can see the Java T-Point opens in the window, iframe window. So guys, if you like my video, then please subscribe, like, and if you have any doubt, then please comment. Thank you.